How to join Moco Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Discord on a device. Now simply tap on the plus icon at the left part of your screen. Now once you tap on it, simply tap on join a server at the bottom part of your screen. Now click on invite link. Now type Moco. Now once you type it, simply tap on join with invite link. Now tap on accept invite. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and see you in the next video.